Hello students, today we are going to start a third topic from our chapter 2 and the topic is division of fraction, and there is an important term in this topic, that is reciprocal of fraction. So what is reciprocal of fraction? If you define reciprocal of fraction, this is when the product of two non-zero fraction gives the answer 1, we can say these are reciprocal of each other, or in simple way we can say when we change the numerator and denominator, the places of numerator and denominator with each other, the next fraction becomes the reciprocal of the first one. For example, let us understand by example. For example, our fraction is 2 by 3. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. It is its reciprocal. It is very simple. Okay, so we just change the position of numerator and denominator. So division of fraction is bit same like the multiplication, but you have to add just one step, that is the reciprocal of fraction. Okay, let's start this topic with an example. For example, our question is find 5 by 8 divide by 2 by 4. So how we will find the answer? There are few steps. The first step is doing the reciprocal of the second fraction. Always remember, the fraction that is next to the sign of division is always changed. We do the reciprocal of the second fraction and change the sign of division into multiplication. So the first fraction is written as it is. The second part is we have to change the division into multiplication and do the reciprocal of the second fraction. This is 4 by 2. So we can also see there is cutting possible in this multiplication of fraction, that is 4 and 8, or 4 you can cut 4 and 2 also. 4 cut by 8, that is 2. So the answer is 5 multiplied by 1 5 and 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So the sum can be asked in mixed fraction also. For example, 6 1 by 5 divide by 1 by 5. So firstly we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction and follow the steps of division. So firstly we change this into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31 by 5. So we got two fractions here. We'll start our procedure of division. So what is that? The first fraction should be as it is. Change the division sign into multiplication and then reciprocal of the second fraction. This is 5 by 1. So is there any cutting possible here? Yes, 5 by 5. So 31 multiplied by 1, that is 31. 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So the answer is 31. The question can also be asked, for example, like divide 4 by 5 by 8. Okay, so just you have to add the division sign in place of by, because the question is about division. So 4 divided by 5 by 8. So the next steps are multiply, change the division sign into multiply and the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 8 by 5, and the answer is, there is no cutting possible here. So 8 4s are 32 and the remainder is 5. And also in the case of, if we get a simple number, suppose for example this is 4, what is the reciprocal of 4? So 4 here we can change it into the fraction 4 by 1, which is equal to 4. So now the reciprocal can be 1 by 4. If you have a simple integer, you can add 1 as the denominator and then you can do the reciprocal of a simple integer. So there are few common mistakes that you can see that are mostly seen in this division topic, that are, the first one is simply changing the sign without doing a reciprocal. For example, if we have the quotient 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 7, sometimes the students forget to do the reciprocal of the second fraction and just change the sign into multiplication. So this is not possible. The division of two fraction and the multiplication of two fraction will not give the same answer. And the second common mistake is, and the second one is doing the reciprocal of the first fraction or both. Sometimes the students do the reciprocal of the first fraction instead of the second, or sometimes they change the sign and do the reciprocal of the both the fractions. Okay, I hope you understood the topic today. You will now do these common mistakes. Okay, thank you.